Hello my friends, Midnight Geek here. This is a package, and as with all packages I need to see if I received everything I've ordered, if there are extra stuff inside of course, if the package sustained any damages, and finally to see if everything is working as it should. Well, there are no external damage patterns, so we're off to a good start. Inside the package we're greeted with a lot of packaging foam, which is always a good sign of things to come, right? Underneath we have some hefty bubbles that had the difficult task of protecting the motherboard. Here it is in all its glory, an MSI Enforce 2 motherboard, more on it later. A black box. Opened off camera?
No, wait, what's inside, my friend?
Oh, you put that away for now. That's rude. I like it that everything is in its own wraps, and in this wrap we have a floppy drive, okay, a DVD writer, why not? So, verdict for the packaging, good. The motherboard is an MSI K7N2 Delta L, a mainstream motherboard from 2003 with the amazing Enforce 2 Ultra 400 chipset, the performance chipset for AMD's Socket A. Some of its features include FSB 400 support for the CPU, dual channel memory support, DDR400 memory official support, AGP8X, and 800 MHz hyper transfer connectivity between Northbridge and Southbridge. The board has a standard and decent layout, and alongside the usual PCIs, AGPs, IDEs and so on, we have some nice passive cooling, although the Southbridge is naked, what's up with that? And the most important thing, an ATX 12V power connector, which permits us to use any power supply with the Athlon XP CPUs. The board looks very good, it's clean, no dust, no bad capacitors. Being an MSI board, we have the classic MSI diagnostics bracket that also includes a USB port. Other stuff from the package: motherboard bracket, ID and floppy cables, extra BIOS battery, motherboard standoffs and screws, and a nice and welcomed Titan cooler with copper core and a somewhat newer fan. 2 sticks of 256 MB of DDR400 memory, which are always handy, and the brain of the operation, an Athlon XP 2600 Plus with the Barton core. The CPU has some strange patches here, used for the cooler, but I don't trust them. I think I'll be adding some original separators. So, did I receive all that I've paid for? Yes. Did I receive something extra? I would say so, but nothing too fancy. Just regular stuff, but still nice. But, does it work? Well, not exactly. The motherboard does not even start. I have zero input. I have used different CPUs, different memory modules, different power supplies, different video cards. Nothing. The MSI diagnosis bracket tells me nothing. It's dead and buried. It's like the motherboard does not receive any power. I'm pretty sure it should work, but nothing. I'm leaving here some pictures. If any of you is knowledgeable enough, please let me know the cause and what should I do. But until then, thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.